सब्सक्राइब कीजिए विजय कुमार माई न्यू क्लासरूम, प्रेस बेल बटन to enjoy videos on English lessons and grammar topics. I am not a Bengal seller. You might be surprised with all this. These are the bangles that I have taken out from vanity box of my wife. You can understand the topic what we are going to discuss today. That is, as we are studying Anish Jung, Lost Spring, in which earlier we have studied a person named Sahib who collects garbage. Anish Jung has minutely studied his life, and in this story I want to drive a car by Anish Jung. Is Mukesh who is working in Bengal making industry, and he is in his childhood. He does not want to continue with this Bengal making. He want to become motor mechanic in life. You have seen these blue, red, this is the rainbow of, but actually in the life of these Bengal makers there is no color, and you will see these are bright, but actually their life there is no brightness. Even their eyes have lost their brightness. They have lost their eyesight while working to give this finish to these bangles and using chemical. Before they get old, they lost their eyesight. Jung tries to raise the issue of these 20,000 child labor workers who are working on the furnaces there in Firozabad, which is famous for bangle making, and she has so minutely studied lifestyle, their socio-economic conditions, and we should before studying a lesson we should see the socio-economic condition of that context. इसमें जो है राइटर ने अनीश जोंग ने बड़ा अच्छा पैराडॉक्स भी यूज़ किया है कि बैंगल तो जरूर चमकदार हैं लेकिन उनकी लाइफ में बिल्कुल भी चमक नहीं है। तो इस तरह के जो हैं पैराडॉक्सिस और कंट्रास्ट जो है हमें देखने को इसमें मिलता है। और ये भी कि वे जब बात करती हैं कि आप कोऑपरेटिव बना लीजिए, एक सोसाइटी बना लीजिए, तो वे बोलते हैं कि कैसे उसके फादर भी हैं या वे सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं कि हम इस नेक्सस से बाहर निकल पाएँ और एक कोऑपरेटिव बना लें। हमें तो सिर्फ एक लेबर की तरह ही यहाँ पर घिसना है, पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी, जनरेशन टू जनरेशन हमारा यूं ही चला आ रहा है। तो इसको बड़े अच्छे ढंग से उसने उठाया है। यहाँ पर जो राइटर है उसका पेन जो है एक के लिए काम कर रहा है कि जहाँ कोई नहीं उनकी सुन रहा है, नो पॉलिटिशियन, नो ब्यूरोक्रेट, नो पुलिसमैन, नोवर इज रेजिंग वॉइस फॉर देम, here the pen of Anish Jung is there, who is fighting for their rights, who wants that children like Mukesh should be sent to school and let them learn what they want to become in life. Like Mukesh, he wants to become a motor mechanic, so he should go for it. So उनकी कलम जो है उसमें वो ताकत दिखाई जा रही है कि मैं लड़ रही हूँ तुम्हारे लिए। Having the socio-economic context, she has very nicely used lots of figure of speech and learning competencies like hyperbole is there, simile is there. And look at the title of the anecdote, I want to drive a car. Last time it was sometimes I find a rupee in the garbage. It was told by Sahib while conversating with Anish Jung. And here Mukesh is there, and conversation once again starts with between Anish Jung and Mukesh. This was all about theme and title of the lesson, I want to drive a car. In my coming videos I will be coming line to line full explanation of this lesson, and also I am coming with summary. Hope you will join me there also. हम मिलते हैं next video में with the summary of this chapter. Till then you enjoy this lesson. Bye bye. Thank you.